Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start our lecture number 8 of pre-9th class. Students, as we have completed the translation of the very first lesson of our book, The Savior of Mankind. So now today we will do its exercise and some grammar. First of all, we see the questions. Question number 1 is, what type of land Arabia is? As you have read in the translation about the land of Arabia, so you will tell about this in that context. Second one is, why was the Holy Quran sent in Arabic? Means कुरान पाक को अरबी ज़बान में क्यों भेजा गया था? This answer is also according to the translation. In translation it is present. Then we have, for which ability were the Arabs famous? कि अरब के लोग अपनी किन खसूसियात की वजह से मशहूर थे? The abilities of Arab people have been described clearly in the lesson, so you will discuss these abilities in the answer. Students, then we have affixation. Affixation means it has been derived, this word has been derived from the word affix, which means लगा देना, जोड़ देना. Now affixation is a process of word formation by adding a prefix or suffix to a root word. Means जब हम किसी root word के साथ, किसी word के साथ उससे पहले या बाद में किसी और word का इजाफ़ा करते हैं तो ना सिर्फ उसका मीनिंग चेंज हो जाता है बल्कि ये हमें एक नया वर्ड भी देता है वोकेबलरी के हिसाब से. सो द प्रोसेस ऑफ एडिंग वर्ड बिफोर और आफ्टर द रूट वर्ड is called affixation. When we add the word before the root word, it means prefix. As we all know, prefix means pre means पहले, means जब हम पहले word को लगाते हैं it is called prefix. pre पहले, fix जोड़ देना यानी पहले लगा देना. Then we have suffix, means when we add the word after the root word it is called suffix. So first we have author, then it is co is added with the word. So you will see, you will recognize either it is a prefix or suffix. Then we have necessary. In this word un is used with necessary, so you have to see which is used, suffix or prefix. Fair, unfair, moral, immoral. Then we see kind. Student, this is somehow different. We have a word kind and in the second one ness is used after kind, so it becomes kindness. Now you will see, if the word is added after the root word, what does it become? Because ness is used after the root word kind. So you will see the whole of the exercise and you will try to find out either in some word suffix is used or prefix is used. Then we have column. Match column A with B to find the exact meaning. Students, in this column you have to find the exact meaning for the words present in the A column from the column B. First of all, we have a word charm. As we all know, charm means kashish, खूबसूरती. Then we see eliminate, belief, right, culture, attraction. Now attraction has the same meaning as charm. Then we have compose. Compose means to write something, So which is the similar meaning of compose? Eliminate, believe, write. Now we have write. Then we have civilization. You will see which word has the same meaning. It is culture. Then we have eradicate. Students, you will see which is the meaning similar to this. So students, you will do this exercise by finding out the same meaning in the column B. So students, this is our work for today. Thank you so much.